Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will unbox the Honor Play gaming smartphone. So, let's do this. On opening the box we are greeted by the phone itself. The color of the phone is Nebula Violet. Let's keep the phone aside and have a look at the box contents. Next, we have the SIM ejector tool, some documents, and a TPU case. It's good to see TPU case bundled with the phone. At last, we have the USB Type-C cable and Huawei's own fast charger. The U-shaped antenna line at the top and bottom makes the phone appealing. On the rear we have the dual camera setup, Honor branding, and the fingerprint reader. On the top we have the noise cancellation microphone, power button and volume rocker on the right. On the bottom we have the speaker grill, microphone, USB-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left we have the SIM tray. The Honor Play certainly packs enough power to deliver a top-flight visual experience. Their Huawei flagship Kirin 970 chipset, with NPU for AI smarts, 4GB or 6GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and a well-sized 3750 mAh battery to drive the action. This all powers a notched 6.3-inch, 2340 x 1080 LCD screen. Don't expect a P20 style photography experience here, as you will have to settle for a 16MP f/2.2 aperture and 2MP f/2.4 aperture dual camera pairing, and 16MP f/2.0 selfie camera. There are no optical image stabilization either, so keep that in mind when shooting video or low-light shots. Nevertheless, the Honor brand is using AI-powered scene object recognition and segmentation for better shots. Other noteworthy features include USB Type-C support, a headphone jack, hybrid SIM slots, and EMUI 8.2 on top of Android 8.1.